behind the scenes of B&Q's flip ad.
B&Q?
Literally flipping a 24-ton, 6-story cube. Who is B&Q?
Oh, I don't know who B&Q is, but they're inside that box?
Yeah.
Yes. You might like this, Mo. It's
So
cinema.
I love
it's
behind
gonna
the
be like what, like an earthquake or what? Well, just play it.
Yeah. It's the same technique they have in Inception.
Inception, yeah.
Just
When
the
they're
rooms
fighting
flipping
in the
all over the place.
hallway.
They got to build an entire contraption around this thing.
Yeah. So it's already...
Oh, sorry.
Everybody's got
cameramen
to
are
be rigged up.
inside.
So they have a play-by-play. There's 2 angles, and you can see the room flipping while this main character is running through the room, and everything's falling apart. And the cameramen are following her outside of the room, and it's a whole, like,
Oh my God.
cinematic, like, you know,
Yeah, and then everything else is composited in after.
very
Yeah.
cool.
Oh, wow. Well done.
They got to choreograph
Look
everything
at
with the
this.
timing and everything like that.
And
Yes.
the cameraman's dealing with the environment changing.
So they got a new house and a new yard and everything. That's what happened there.
I still don't know who B&Q is.
So real estate or
Insurance, maybe?
yeah, who has the money for these type of ads? British multinational DIY and home improvement company.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I guess it's
Alright.
like
IKEA.
Home Depot. So it was just a quick reno. All she had to do was climb out the.
That's all she had to do.
That's all. I hate
Leave
that.
your backyard.
Yeah, she's like, I hate this place. Get rid of it all. I'm just gonna
Leaves
go.
her family behind.
Yeah, forget about them. I'm just gonna climb through here.
Oh, the cameraman fell.
Oh,
Or
yeah,
I
for
guess his
sure.
like grip or assistant.
Actually, no, the cameraman did an amazing job.
Yeah.
But you know what? Like, when the room flipped, I guess everything was glued to the floor.
How? It slid all over the place.
I mean, this room. Because she went into...
Oh, yes, you're
Another
right.
room.
Yes. That's probably true. Look at him.
Yeah.
He's even standing like,
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's pretty cool.
well done.